Want to make jaw-dropping AI videos but don't know where to start? Maybe you're a beginner trying to learn AI videos, or you're frustrated because you keep getting totally unexpected videos out of AI video generators, or maybe you're ready to level up your AI video skills. No matter where you are on your journey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you simple yet powerful techniques to create cinematic AI videos without wasting valuable credits on endless trial and error. So let's get started and turn your AI-generated videos into masterpieces. Before we dive in, pay attention to these basics. For text to video, describe your subject's appearance in detail, which includes emotions, clothing, facial features, and colors. Describe the environment and style. Describe actions. Then describe camera motions to get the cinematic videos. For image to video, only describe actions and camera motions, since all other details are already in the image you upload. Make sure your prompt is short and simple to avoid distorted video results. Make sure you use a clear, straightforward language. Let's jump in to create cinematic videos. In this video, we'll be focusing more on image to video generation, since it's the most commonly used technique for storytelling. I'll be using Kling AI, as it's my favorite, even though these concepts might work with any video generator. Zooming in and out is one of the most common camera effects we all use, but if you give more specific instructions, your videos will have a more cinematic feel. Instead of just saying zoom in, tell the AI exactly where to zoom. For example, say, zoom in on the soldier's eyes as he looks at the viewer. This gives you a perfect cinematic result. You can also control the zoom speed. Let's say, slowly zoom in on the blue fire. The same goes for zooming out. Instead of just saying zoom out, with this image you could say zoom out to reveal the entire landscape. This makes your scene more dynamic and visually engaging. FPV, or first-person view, is another effect that immerses you directly into the action, making every moment feel personal. It makes the video look like it's seen through the subject's eyes. As you see in the first clip, I just used the prompt, walking into the palace through stairs, and the AI even added a random person that I didn't want in my video. But in the second clip, I specifically said, FPV into the palace through the stairs, and look how cool that turned out. You can also use fast FPV for a fast-paced feel that keeps the action thrilling, or go with slow FPV for smooth cinematic motion that adds a touch of elegance and immersion. Now we've come to the exciting camera pullback effect. It's great for storytelling as it reveals the bigger picture, adding depth and context to your videos. But instead of saying just camera pullback, try to use it with more context. For example, here, my prompt was camera pullback as the alien follows astronaut, but the alien cut off from the scene as the camera pulled back. But in this video, I have specifically said how the camera pulls back by saying, camera pull back to reveal the alien as he follows the astronaut. You can see the difference clearly. Rotating camera view. It is a fantastic effect that adds a dynamic perspective to your videos. For example, I first used the prompt, wizard handing over the blue orb to the girl. The result was pretty good, but in the second prompt, I specifically added rotating camera view of a wizard handing over the blue orb to a girl. Notice the difference? The second version creates a much more immersive experience. Following the subject with a tracking shot. This is a crucial technique, especially when creating videos of moving subjects. A tracking shot keeps you seamlessly connected to the subject. For example, I first used the prompt, a soldier walking towards the viewer, to generate this video. Then, I refined it by changing prompt to tracking shot of a soldier walking towards the viewer. As you see, the second version feels much more natural, as the surroundings adjust dynamically to the movement of the subject. Next, the bird's eye view. A bird's eye view, also known as overhead view, shows everything from above, giving a clear and unique look at any scene. For example, I'm going to take this image and say, camera flies above to capture an overhead shot of the wizard as he is standing in a snowy path. Here, the reason I specifically said where he is standing is because I want the overhead shot to see the entire body of wizard. This is how you can control what the video will show. Tilting the camera up or down shifts the perspective, adding drama and revealing new details in the scene. For example, I am going to take this image and say, the camera tilts down to reveal the high-tech glowing boots of the robotic woman. Notice that I didn't just say tilt the camera down. I specifically mentioned the boots. That's because I wanted the AI to tilt the camera all the way down to see the entire figure. Camera tilting can also combine with camera pullback to create more dramatic scenes. Here, I am using this image and say, camera pull back and tilt up to reveal a giant glowing blue orb in the sky. As the last step, I'm going to show you a feature that's unique to Kling AI that will come handy when generating stories with consistent characters. Let's go to the Kling AI website. You can log in with a Google account. Here on the main page, go to AI Videos, select Image to Video, and select Elements. Here I am uploading 2 of my characters and a background. Type in the prompt, wizard, and the soldier walking towards the viewer, and click Generate. Our 3 images blended together to create a one video. Just like this, you can create many scenes of a story just by uploading images of your characters. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more future content like this.